Welcome to our video. We're going to show you how to take your photograph and turn it into a cartoon using the image to cartoon website. As you can see, I've actually already uploaded a picture, and you notice it gives you a couple of choices here. I'm going to go for the one that's more realistic, so I'm going to choose this one to download. Okay, now that we've downloaded it, we are going to go into Canva and create a video. There's an app that you can use called HeyGen. Canva now supports apps, and this will allow you to animate a photograph. I'm going to upload that image. Okay, and now that we've done that, I'm going to choose, you can actually type in your own text here. For the purpose of our example, I'm going to just use one of their suggestions. And I'm going to choose one of their sample voices. You can also upload your own voice recording as well. Now I'm going to generate the video. This can take a few minutes. And now let's get ready to look at the final result.
Nice to meet you. I'm your presenter today.